Hello and welcome to Scalarly. If you want to know how to easily name a Google Doc or slide, plus tips for naming your Google Drive files to stay organized, then keep on watching this video. When you open a Google Doc and started typing on your doc title, you will just simply click Untitled Document and it automatically pastes the title in your doc for you. No need to rewrite or copy your title. So there is no need for you to use font styles, and it also works with slides. Wait, I had to rename a file name. What should I do? From your file list, right-click on the file and choose Rename, and type in the name you want for the document. Well, you probably don't give much thought to how you name your Drive files. But given how many documents we use every day, your files can quickly get messy and lost if you don't have a good naming convention in place. So here are tips for creating a file name so your Drive will stay neat, organized, and easily searchable. First, be descriptive. Like, who will understand this file name? Not only that, but your generic untitled document will also quickly get buried in your Drive files, and you'll have a tough time finding it again. You'll save yourself lots of headaches if you add some descriptive information in the file name. You won't have to open multiple files, hunting for the right one if the file name information is specific and clear. In your doc title, you can include the type of document. If it's a presentation, a lesson plan, a contract, a pitch, outline, or an invoice. Other thing that you can include is the date it is created, or the date it is modified. When including dates, include the year as well. Use a format like this. Separate the date from the rest of the file name with an underscore or with brackets. You can also include the name of people or group involved, a student's name, client name, company name, or office branch location. You can put the department name as well. Try to abbreviate where it makes sense in order to make information easier and faster to understand. Insert the project or topic. Also, the version number is useful. If you're creating different versions of a file, use V to denote it. For example, if there are minor edits, use version 2.1, 2.2, and so forth. You can also include the status of the file, if it's filed, for review, approved, saved, or archived. The security level is important as well, if it's confidential or for general use. If an item is confidential or high security, note that at the beginning of the file. Of course, you don't have to put everything we discuss, but you can create a convention that works best for you. This way, if you know some element of the file, you can search Drive for it and then easily find the file. This makes your search much more accurate and efficient, and you can save time by quickly finding what you're looking for. Second is be consistent. For example, if you're adding dates in your files, stick to one format. Files can easily become disorganized and messy if you're using all different types of formats. And finally, make sure everyone's on board. It's given that you might use organized file names, but your colleagues should be using them too. Because Google Apps is all about collaboration and sharing, your Shared With Me section can quickly get cluttered if people aren't using detailed, informative names. There's no point in establishing a great naming convention if nobody is following it, right? Send out a quick memo so that everybody understands why naming conventions are important and what the rules of the naming conventions are. In naming your Drive files, remember, be descriptive and consistent. How about you? What's your best practice in naming your file? Share with us in the comment section below. For more Google Drive tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss out on our future uploads. Thanks and see you on our next video.